Hello everyone, how to totes back with a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to create your new wallet on Tonkeeper application. So if you have already account, then you can tap on the import existing wallet. If you don't have any wallet, then simply tap on the create new wallet. So I'm just going to create new wallet, and you have to give your password first. So passcode, actually you have to give the passcode. Notification, okay, I'll see it later. So you can see it's created. So if you want to, like, if you click here and wallet, so it's really easy. You just need to click, and history you can see browser. Like, you have to create your passcode, then you'll get all the things here. So it's really easy. So this way you can create your wallet, customize, then you can choose, you can give your wallet name, and then there are a lot of things here. You can sign out. So I'll create more video in upcoming tutorials. Okay friend, today is normal. See you in the next video.